In this video, we're going to talk about the type function in Python. So here, as you can see, we have defined a variable called x, and we have stored 3 in it, which is an integer value. So the type of x is integer. And now if I print the type of x, so using this type function, I can see an access to the type of the variable. So now if I print the type of x, and if I run the code, you can see its type is integer. So now as you can see, it's float, and if I run the code, you can see the type is float. Now it's a string, and if I run the code, you can see it says str, which means a string. And now as you can see, we have this expression which says 10 is greater than 8, which is true. So the type of this variable should be Boolean. So if I run the code, you can see it says bool, which means Boolean. And this is a complex number. And if I print the type of x, and if I run a code, you can see it says complex, which means complex number. And also remember that we have covered all of these things in a previous video. In this video, we just mentioned the type function, which you can use in order to see and access the type of the variable. This was one of the videos of a step-by-step tutorial playlist of Python. You can find the link to that playlist in the description below. And also we have other playlists for other topics, which you can find them on the channel page.